At least you weren't a virgin. We all know you have a track record. At least use a condom, you know. At least you're still alive. At least. My name is Lesedi, my surname is Twala. I'm a first year Gen student, and tonight I'm going to the Gender Action Healing Night because I think healing is a very important part of life, regardless of what it is that you went through or are currently going through.
Basically what we wanted to do was have some kind of poetry / discussion group that related to silent protest, because silent protest happened like a few weeks ago, and we wanted something that could continue the conversation about sexual violence and continue the conversation about safety and healing and finding some kind of happiness after trauma. So we decided on the theme of healing because we thought it was quite a positive theme. Even if healing isn't always beautiful, there is always kind of like that hope. You're working towards something better, something healthier for you, something happier.
I use my writing as a form of healing. Well, that's initially what I used my writing for, because when I was growing up, I was going through a lot of things. I was depressed. At some point I was suicidal. Then I started writing to just get away from that. And I realized that in performing for people, more especially when they can relate to what I'm talking about, that is also a form of healing for me and for the person that can relate to my stuff. So that's why I continued writing and performing for people. And that's why I think it's very important to be able to express yourself, because talking for me really helped me when I was going through all those rough patches in my life, and it still helps me today, regardless of whatever it is that I'm feeling or things that I'm seeing happening. Just writing about it and just vocalizing it, more especially for me, I think I'm more of a vocal poet than I am someone who just writes, because I just love interacting with people and sharing whatever it is that I'm feeling with people.
There was a night, and I could not sleep. I could not eat. I could not drink. It's the night they robbed them, sexually abused them, and brutally killed them. They slept there, there with blood over their bodies, and they never woke up. But there was also a time.
The release just felt really great. It really made me feel better. Just taking all those emotions out, and then just it really helped me feel better. Although it was kind of a depressing vibe in that hall, like the atmosphere was really low. It really helped me, and it helped me reflect on a lot, and it helped me want to go through this healing process further.